Hello everyone, a warm welcome back again to Zaika Ka Tadka. This is Apeksha back live again with an amazing live coverage video. As I promised you, I'll be back live again. We are starting the Flow Culinary Masters event right now. 6 teams, 1 hour of time they have. They'll be cooking simultaneously. All of them are ready, guys. These are the event partners: Chocolate Philosophy, Grover Zampa, Esprit Spirits, Malti Foods and Sheraton Grand, and the live coverage is only on Zaika Ka Tadka. This is the Ficky Flow Culinary Masters event. Welcome to this live cooking event, and let me just take you towards the main entrance area where this cooking contest will be started, and already the excitement has already begun, guys. See, the inauguration is taking place there. The Manu Chandra, the partner of Olive Bar and Kitchen and a very celebrity chef, is standing right there on the door, and he is ready to unveil this cooking contest event. Look at the excitement of the participants. These are 24 members, moms, housewives, entrepreneurs, business professionals, and they are participating in this event. Aapki tarah hi hain. They are just like you, and they are ready to enter the live cooking area. It's beautiful, guys. This is the first event to be covered like this on Zaika Ka Tadka, where six teams will be cooking simultaneously in 1 hour. They have to show 2 recipes, and we are right at the entrance gate. देखिए, the excitement is there. इनको ingredients नहीं पता हैं अभी. इंग्रेडिएंट्स अभी ब्लैक बॉक्स में अनवेल करे जाएंगे. ब्लैक बॉक्स का मतलब होता है कि कुकिंग शो में so देखिए, everyone is ready and we are just going to start this. Hi Neetu, hi Vandana, hi Trishita, hi Rekha, hi Uma, hi Isha, hi Ramurta, hi Kaustara Purva, Anuradha, Sandhya ji, Sunita, Radhika, Sunita. Good to see you all, guys. This is the first live cooking event. Black box unveil अभी करा जाएगा आपके लिए. ब्लैक बॉक्स में इंग्रेडिएंट्स किसी भी पार्टिसिपेंट को नहीं पता है, किसी भी टीम को नहीं पता है, एंड दे विल बी डिसाइडिंग ऑन टू. उनको 2 कोर्स मील बनानी है उस ब्लैक बॉक्स से. ब्लैक बॉक्स का मतलब होता है जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स उसमें है उसको उनको यूज़ करके रेसिपीज़ बनानी है. दिस इज़ अ प्योर वेज रेसिपी प्लेटफॉर्म. So we are just going to see. अभी बस एंटर हो रहे हैं, गाइज. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस, और जो सेटअप है वो इतना ब्यूटिफुल है. आई जस्ट विजिटेड इट एंड इट्स ब्यूटिफुल देयर. आई होप यू आर एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट, एंड वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस.
We are going to have what is called the most creative team, and the judges will decide what is creative. The judges will decide what creative is. Fastest time is of essence. Being a lawyer, we charge for our time. Time is of essence. You have 60 minutes, and you will finish early, but obviously you have to create something edible in that time.
सो फास्टेस्ट का भी है.
Very important. It's much harder. You have to only take ingredients that you use. Don't take too much, don't waste it. The judges will check your aspects. So make sure that you dump a lot.
सो बेसिकली क्लीनेस्ट टीम जो है उसको भी प्राइज़ मिलेगा. द फास्टेस्ट टीम विल ऑल्सो बी गेटिंग अ प्राइज़. So the rules are being announced right now.
So with that, I'll just run through the rules once more. I do believe you are aware of the rules. Only 3 to 1, which is the time, is 90 minutes becomes 60 minutes. You have a mystery box which will be unveiled in a few minutes by Yashu, and each one of you will get your mystery box. You can take it to your station. Station 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can start. This is number 1. This is the last. The marketplace is very well stocked. But use it judiciously. So you take only as much as you want. The marketplace is outside. The marketplace will be open throughout. So you can go anytime to pick up things. So don't be in a rush. Don't panic. Get your stuff. Take your time. Once you know what you're going to do, then you cost. So at the end of 60 minutes, whenever it starts, I know Shobhi's taking the time, I and Neha is taking the time. At the end of 60 minutes,
and also there will be a live cooking demo by Manu Chandra here. Manu Chandra is a celebrity chef. He is a very popular celebrity chef and he'll be doing a live cooking demo. We also have the executive chef Anthony Huang. Anthony Huang of Sheraton Grand. He's the executive chef there. He's one of the judges here. So just the rules are being discussed, guys. This is going to be really exciting. Hi Neelam, hi Sanjeev, hi Lavina, hi Rami, hi Jayashree, hi Kirti. So now it starts. So you think it's going to start now. Guys, every participant is just like you and they are going to rush in now. See, they are rushing in. These are 24 participants like you and they have been divided into 6 teams. 6 teams में 4 members हैं और ये देखिए अब जा रहे हैं. ब्लैक बॉक्स हो रहा है. सेलिब्रिटी शेफ मनु चंद्रा एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव ग्रैंड के शेफ जो हैं, एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ ऑफ शेरटन एंथनी हुआंग इज अ जज है. राधिका पुनापा इज ऑल्सो देयर and then we have couple more judges who will be doing this. Guys, this is really nice. It's going to be really interesting. Hi Samiksha, this is happening in Bangalore right now. Bangalore, may just imagine, I'm just going to show you also how beautifully things have been decorated. So we are just going to go there. So ye dekhiye, these are the sets. For every team such a setup has been made. This has been made. So ye dekhiye, the ingredients have been done ready by Sheraton Grand. ये देखिए all the, it's amazing. ये देखिए the ingredients they have to, everything has been kept ready for this live cooking event. It's going to be one heck of a event. It's a pure veg recipe contest. आप लोग देखते रहिए. So we are just going there.
Team 1, 2, 3,
So guys, I'll also be, so देखिए वहाँ पे black box unveil हो रहा है. So we are going to go there.
ready to start the timing? Yeah.
So black box unveil हो रहा है. Just look at it, how beautifully this is done.
The timer will begin to be here near the second. So, are you ready? Are you all ready, ladies? So
ये
here
देखिए.
we go, your show. Unveil.
So देखिए, the black box has been unveiled for the first time. The participants are looking at the ingredients. और अब वो अपने उसमें टीम में जाएंगे. वो eggs नहीं है, those are not, ममता. वो just showpiece के लिए हैं. It's a pure veg recipe cooking event. So this is going to happen. आलिया जी आपको बुलाया मैंने, तभी तो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. This contest is in Bangalore, but I'm doing the live coverage only at Zaika Ka Tadka. So let me just go towards the teams, and there is the chef Anthony Huang. So ये देखिए, the teams are ready. This is the black box. For the first time, the teams are seeing the ingredients, and they have to come up with a 2-course meal. So वो देखिए, बैंगन है, ब्रोकली है, शिमला मिर्च है, कॉर्न है, टोमेटो है, गाजर है, कुकुम्बर है, गार्लिक है, रेड चिली एंड ग्रीन चिली है.
Two sous chefs who are going to be available here to answer any
देखिए,
questions
Manu
or help
Chandra
or assist
is
you.
there.
They will not help you cook.
So Manu Chandra, the celebrity chef, he is one of the judges here. So he is overlooking this whole thing, and he is looking at. If you don't know, just type Manu Chandra in Google and you'll know. So guys, you also have exciting prizes in this event for the people who are watching it. I'll be asking
Team
3 to
six,
4
you know
questions.
who they are? Chef Kunal and Chef Habib. If you have any questions,
This is
these
in
are the
Bangalore.
people to ask. They can guide you. And some of them had issues on half curve and various other things.
So Manu Chandra बताइए कौन है? Just Google it and I'll be asking 3 to 4 questions. जो उन सब questions का सही आंसर करेंगे उनको एक exciting prize मिलेगा. For the black box also, black box के ingredients मैं आपको बताऊंगी. If you are able to send us an offline video or do a live broadcasting video with us, we will be running the contest for that. Live broadcasting cooking contest होगा और आप अपनी entries भेज सकते हैं. उनके लिए exciting prizes रहेंगे. So be careful and see कि क्या-क्या हो रहा है. See, everyone is just doing it. Everyone is just doing it, guys. बॉम्बे कब होगा? दिस इज बैंगलोर राइट नाउ. मनु चंद्रा बताइए, हु इज मनु चंद्रा? देखते हैं आपकी नॉलेज कितनी है. इफ यू नो ही इज अ सेलिब्रिटी शेफ, यू हैव टू लेट मी नो. तो देखिए द ब्लैक बॉक्स वी विल बी एबल टू सी. देखिए बैंगन है, टमाटर है. ये ब्लैक बॉक्स देख के आपको भी रेसिपीज बतानी है. आपको ऑफलाइन वीडियो बनाना है जो जायका का तड़का पे देना है, या फिर आप हमारे संग लाइव ब्रॉडकास्टिंग वीडियो करिए. और जो सबसे इनोवेटिव रेसिपी होगी, जो सबसे ज़्यादा लाइक होगी, उनको हम प्राइजेस देंगे. जस्ट लुक एट दिस ब्लैक बॉक्स. खीरा है, बैंगन है, गाजर है, बेबी कॉर्न है, टोमेटो है, शिमला मिर्च है, नींबू है, गार्लिक है, रेड चिली एंड ग्रीन चिली है, एंड पनीर है. सो सी, सो वील जस्ट गो एंड सी. सो सी, यहाँ पे स्ट्रैटेजी चल रही है. दिस इज रियली नाइस. देखिए, एंड इन द ब्लैक बॉक्स का मतलब ये होता है कि इनको इमीडिएटली सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स इनको यूज़ करने हैं. इन 60 मिनट्स दे हैव टू कम अप विद 2 रेसिपीज गाइस. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर कवरिंग सच एन इवेंट. देखिए दे आर डीप इन टॉक्स. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सी. So देखिए the timer has started. Everyone is deep in discussion right now, thinking कि इस black box में हम कैसे करें. black box आप भी ध्यान से रखिए. आप लोगों के लिए भी ये contest है. If you are able to submit the offline video to me, offline video और live broadcasting videos में होगा. The top 3 winners will be given 3 mini choppers जो हमने दिए थे contest में. Hi. Yeah, a little bit. But if you can explain, it'll be very nice. So he is the Sajay Singh. He is a very famous lawyer here, and he is the MC.
Paneer.
Mm-hmm.
There is green chili,
Okay.
nimbu, lemon,
Garlic.
garlic, tomato, baby corn, carrot. This is zucchini.
Zucchini.
And there's ginger.
Ginger, paneer, and then we have spaghetti.
And we have you have this gourd.
Yeah.
Which gourd will this be?
I think it is cucumber. This is cucumber.
And there's broccoli.
Spaghetti. Oh, broccoli. Yeah, broccoli.
And there is
Brinjal. Brinjal. Okay,
And
very
then
nice.
Chef Anthony, you can ask any further questions.
Yes, so he is the chef Anthony. So hi, welcome to Zaika Ka Tadka, Chef Anthony. He is the executive chef at Sheraton Grand, Bangalore. So Chef Anthony, thank you so much. This is a wonderful organization that you have done. It's really beautiful. People are loving it. So can you quickly explain the rules to people who are watching?
The rules are, we've kept the rules very simple.
Uh-huh.
They need to keep their areas clean, of course.
Uh-huh.
They need to use the ingredients that we have provided over here. You're not allowed to bring anything from home.
Uh-huh.
There are a couple of ingredients that are there in the black box,
Mm-hmm.
which has to feature in their food somewhere.
Okay.
Surprised that Yashodhara has...
Well, right now, yes.
Yeah, so that's it, and we've kept things very simple for them also to make the competition more fun and easy. We've chopped all the vegetables and all
Yeah,
the basic
very
vegetables.
beautiful you have done.
Garlic, we've made some basic paste, so you just need to use that and create something out of that.
Okay, so we will be, I think you have to rush, but when you are free, we'll be asking you a couple of questions.
Great,
So thank you so much, Anthony. So he is the executive chef at Sheraton Grand, guys. He has appeared on CNBC TV channel. I'm not kidding. We are lucky enough here to be watching him and talking to him right now. Sheraton Grand is a very famous 5-star hotel, and उनके executive chef से अभी हमने बुलाया. Just look at this. देखिए कितना beautiful है. And we'll just go outside and have a look also what they are discussing.
Spring onions? No, the wraps you are doing. The wrap, that is fast. You need corn. Sides के लिए chili corn. Only any one sauce.
Hi, you guys are live on Zaika Ka Tadka. People are watching you, so you can say hi right now. So what are the 2 recipes that you have decided to come up with? Have you decided or the discussion is? Oh, people are watching you live here. Okay. So see, one of the recipes discussion is going on, and see, the team has already been there. They are in the home. How beautifully it has been decided. This is really nice. Hi curry. Guys, after seeing the black box, you also have to tell me which all recipes do you think. Give me some innovative answers. Apeksha, see the answer. Okay, chef partner, toast and tonic, the fatty boy and monkey bar. And executive chef, Olive Beach, very nice. Manu Chandra, Chennai mein ho, so please, we will definitely. Kalpana ji, you have given, Kalyani ji, you have given the right answer. Pallavi has given the right answer. Manu Chandra, yes, Kalyani ji, I just see. So Manu Chandra is exactly a celebrity chef partner at Olive Beach, Toast and Tonic, the Fatty Boy and Monkey Bar, very famous restaurants. And see, they're all ready. I'll just see it. They are all ready. Best of luck all. Thank you, chef and partner Deepika ji. Very nice. And देखिए, there is another one of our judges, guys. देखिए the love. The recipes are starting, and I'll be showing you the recipes also.
So teams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So I'll also be asking.
What is this?
Hi, you are live on Zaika Ka Tadka. So have you guys decided on the recipes?
Somewhat. We've decided on one. We're still making up our mind on the second.
Okay. Mixed veg आप बना रहे हैं, very nice. So I'm just going to ask. So we are just going to see it. See, everyone is just busy doing it, and they are deciding on the recipe. So I'll just go there, and then we will focus on one recipe, and we'll see. As the event is going on, Manu is there. Thank you, Sandra ji. So we are just going to move towards Manu Chandra, and then. Hi Manu. Can you please say hi to our audience who are watching it live? Hi.
Hello.
So
I'm also posting live.
Oh, you are also posting it live. Okay. So one quick question, since you are the judge here, what is it that a judge looks for in a live cooking contest for deciding? If you can just educate.
Flavor, innovation, that's it.
Flavor and innovation. So that's
Obviously, little thing like, because it's a competition, you're looking for cleanliness, organized stations, how well the team works together. But we're not going to be too strict about that. I think we really want to look at what these ladies can do with the mystery basket and everything else that's available. And I know for a fact a lot of them are very, 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 very good cooks.
You yourself are a celebrity chef.
I'm a professional cook. These ladies actually send food to me sometimes.
Acha.
And it's very good stuff. So I'm actually very excited about what's going to come out of here.
Very excited. And also I read about one of your articles in which you talked about how your Dadi Ma actually cooked very well. From the Dadi you have learned.
Nani and Dadi cook well, yeah.
So Zaika Ka Tadka is a platform for grandmoms and moms. So we only showcase moms and grandmoms. So any message?
Now, increasingly, dads and brothers also, everyone's cooking. And, food is a very emotional thing. And it doesn't matter if food was of a certain quality at home or not, it will always be your favorite.
Yes.
And it's a connection. It's not only about competency or how perfectly it's done. It's cooked at home, it's nourishment, it's made with love, and that's what makes it special.
Yes, very well said. Thank you so much, Manu. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. So guys, that was Manu Chandra. He's the celebrity chef and also the partner at many of the famous restaurants of India. You can just Google him and you would know it. So the recipes are getting made. So we will have a look at one place by one. So all the topics. Broccoli, paneer, soup. So as you know, Manu Chandra उन्होंने खुद ने ही हमें बताया they are looking for flavor. Hi. You guys are live on Zaika Ka Tadka. Would you want to say hi to them?
Hi.
Our audience?
Hi.
If we can know what are the recipes you are making, because I've shown them your black box and it will not be revealed to other participants. This is just live. They won't be seeing live for sure. So what are the two recipes you have decided?
We have decided a salad and a stir-fried veggies
Stir-fried veggies.
with
Okay.
an Arabica sauce.
Oh, very nice. Stir-fried veggies and salad. देखिए यहाँ पे बना रहे हैं. All the best to you guys. Our viewers are also watching you and wishing you all the best. So देखिए vegetable soup. तो यहाँ पे देखिए बन रहे हैं. It's a salad as well as mixed veg का वो बना रहे हैं. They are making a sauce also along with it. So just look at these ingredients and have a fun, guys. Please do love, like and share this video. This is the first time Zaika Ka Tadka is covering an event live. 6 teams are participating and they had no idea. As Manu Chandra himself said, flavor and innovation is what he is looking at. So ये देखिए यहाँ पे बन रहा है. आप सोचिए अगर आपके लिए अगर आप ऐसे इवेंट में हो, ये सब मॉम्स आपकी तरह ही हैं. These are moms, professionals, working women, entrepreneurs who are participating in this contest and okay, hi.
Digital marketing for Phoenix.
Oh, hi. My name is so she is the digital marketing team from Phoenix. I'm from Blackbox. I'm following it live. I'm showing my audience the entire live cooking show.
Sure. We're gonna tag you guys.
Yeah. Sure. I'll tag you as well. Okay. So ये देखिए, so there it is going. Paneer and capsicum की सब्जी, corn soup and salad. Let's go to the team 2. Hi team B. You are live on Zaika Ka Tadka right now. People are watching you. So just curious to know what is the recipes you have come up with.
We are doing, since it's Independence Day coming up, we are trying to have an Indian version of the Mediterranean platters.
Oh.
So we have a desi platter, which is something like a mezzi platter. And we have a dessert version of like a the baklava with chicken dipping. So like a fusion.
Oh, it's a fusion thing, huh? So baklava with chicken dipping with the black box you are making. Very nice. We'll be very interested to see this. Wow, amazing. So ये देखिए, they are doing the fusion. They are doing the vegetable platter. It's a fusion platter.
Falafels with an Indian taste to it.
Falafel you are making with the
Falafel
Indian.
with paneer and Indian spices.
Yeah, so this is देखिए falafel with the Indian version of it, and they're doing baklava. That's amazing. How can they come up with it? That's really nice. Guys. Please do love live. आपका भी मन हो रहा है जानवी तो बनाइए ना. ऑफलाइन वीडियो आप जायका का तड़का पे सबमिट कर सकते हैं, और नहीं तो आप वहाँ तक लाइव जाइए. ब्रॉडकास्टिंग वीडियो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद द सेम ब्लैक बॉक्स प्लेटर हम शेयर करेंगे आज शाम को. उनके इंग्रेडिएंट्स अच्छे से. इफ़ यू गाइस गो लाइव और आपकी रेसिपी सबसे बड़ी हिट होती है, तो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ very amazing prize from Zaika Ka Tadka. Exciting prizes to be won for live viewers also. आप भी try करिए recipes from the platter. And ये देखिए, they are making the falafel Indian version and the baklava. Baklava is a very famous Mediterranean dish. And I'm just having a look at it. देखिए कितने अच्छे से बना रहे हैं. This is really amazing. Let's go to team C. यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है ingredients से देखिए कितने अच्छे से cutting कर रही हैं. They are definitely very neat and clean. Black box ingredients मैं आपको फिर से दिखाऊंगी. And she is busy cooking. Hi Archana. Hi, you are live on Zaika Ka Tadka. People are watching you live. Archana Devan is from, you have a pastry shop, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So she is an entrepreneur mom here. Dekhiye, she is making. So you are live here on Zaika Ka Tadka. People are just curious to know what are the recipes your team has decided.
Well, we're making a Mediterranean biryani and we're trying to serve it with a pesto gravy.
With what?
Pesto gravy.
Pesto gravy
Yes,
and
and we're
Mediterranean.
making a Thai paneer tikka.
Oh, nice. That's really nice. Thai paneer tikka, Mediterranean biryani with pesto gravy they are making. They are fully engrossed in making this. This is an amazing. I completely agree, Preeti. मेरी तरफ से भी guys, please do love, like and share this video. देखिए, this is the first live cooking coverage by Zaika Ka Tadka. 6 teams are cooking simultaneously. Ingredients जो थे black box में वो थे brinjal. ब्रिंजल बेबी कॉर्न, देखिए वहाँ पे है ब्रिंजल बेबी कॉर्न। तो देखिए यहाँ पे भी
Awesome. Smells great.
so we have just covered him as well। तो देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए these are the ingredients, ये ब्रिंजल है, ये कैप्सिकम है। So बताइए इसका नाम क्या है? You have to tell me this। बताइए इस सब्जी का क्या नाम है? Please tell me this green chili। That was a question। Thank you so much for answering that। But yes, Darshana ji will definitely do that। देखिए broccoli is there, broccoli है वहाँ पे, देखिए अब कैप्सिकम है, गाजर है। They are making veg biryani and देखिए Chef Manu Chandra is busy just looking at all the recipes। He is himself doing a live cooking demo जो हम करेंगे and we'll be doing it guys। देखिए कितने amazing recipes आ रही हैं। Vegetarian biryani with pesto gravy as well as Thai paneer tikka is the event that they are doing। And now we come to move on to the team 4 and let's see। Hi, you are live on Zaika Ka Tadka। I'm just looking at your name। Sorry. Decky. Yeah, Decky is here, say team, and she is busy cooking। So our audience wants to know, you are live on Zaika Ka Tadka, people are watching you। So just wanted to ask them, what are the recipes that you have decided?
We're making a very exotic Tibetan and Bhutanese dish called emadase.
What?
It's a very exotic, authentic Tibetan and Bhutanese dish called emadase, and it's like basically spicy chili. It's like
Spicy?
It's like a chili fondue.
Chili fondue? Oh my god, it's really innovative. That's really nice. Dekhiye chili fondue is there. So one recipe, what is the second one?
The second one we're doing, what are we doing? The second one, we're making laksa, curry laksa.
Curry
So we are
laksa.
the Oriental Express.
Acha, you are the
just made that
Oriental
up
Express. Okay. That's really nice। So देखिए यहाँ पे exotic Tibetan dish मिल रही है and some laksa they are making amazing guys। देखिए this is the innovation at its peak। अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं कि live cooking event कैसा होता है तो this is the place to be। It's amazing how these moms are cooking here। देखिए all the 4 teams are busy cooking and making this event। यहाँ पे black box दिया गया है। They had no idea what the ingredients they'll be served। Black box में ingredients होते हैं that has to be used in the recipes and they have been making it। तो ये देखिए यहाँ पे भी आप अच्छा सा वो करेंगे। तो cleanliness and hygiene का भी है। Manu is busy doing it। So we'll go to the team 5 now। So hi, you are live on Zaika Ka Tadka right now। People are watching you। So if you can tell which recipes are you making from the black box?
We are using all right now. The tomato and the onion and the bell peppers.
But the recipe names you have come up with?
No, we haven't yet.
You haven't yet because other teams have come and they're showing it's the audience.
No,
Not yet. Okay, so they're still cutting and they're still making it. So they're still making it, organizing plates, board there. Also, it's a request. So guys, this cooking event is being organized by Picky Flow and Philip Susaku ये organize कर रहे हैं। Picky Flow is an organization for women। अगर आप entrepreneur हैं या startup करना चाहते हैं या आप आपके career में break हैं आप next level में जाना चाहते हैं, it's a और empowerment, it's for women empowerment या आपको कोई skills gain करनी है, so this is the must join organization। Picky Flow is a not for profit organization जो कि इंश्योर करता है कि women empowerment के लिए they provide skills to women who are in need of skills and get them, help them get employment। They, like for example, some moms को भी उन्होंने cooking की training दी थी recently। They also help you if you have a startup of your own, if you want to start up, if you are facing a professional challenge, आप और आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, so they help you in your career advancement as well, guys। So do search about Picky Flow, FICCIISLO, so you can definitely do that। So this is the team 6। तो ये देखिए black box में से ingredients ले लिए गए हैं। ginger, lemon, garlic, red chili, green chili, brinjal, capsicum, paneer, broccoli, carrot, ये सब भरा हुआ है। So this is there। So this is the team 6।
In the sauce, can you use lemon? There's lemon.
So, hi Archana. So you guys are live. We are covering all the teams and we are asking them, our audience is watching you live. So we are asking them which is the recipes they have come up with. So what are the recipes that you have come up with?
We are coming with a lettuce wrap.
Okay.
Chimichurri sauce.
Okay.
And a paneer and a rice, sauteed paneer with rice.
Paneer with sauteed paneer with rice, very nice. So देखिए veg wrap बना रहे हैं and paneer veg paneer with sauteed rice को बना रहे हैं. So this is really nice, guys. Please do love, like and share this video. This is happening.
Hainanese rice.
Huh?
Hainanese rice.
Which one?
Hainanese rice.
Hainanese rice. Oh, very nice to be. So like Manu said, the flavor and innovation will be used for judging. So देखिए Chef Anthony Huang is also Chef Anthony Huang is also one of the judges. I think we have another judge here, right? So hi, you are live on Zaika Ka Tadka. If you can introduce yourself to our audience right now.
Hi, I'm Rupa Palachandar and I host a cooking show called Spice Box on eNadu, and I'm also a blogger and a food critic.
Oh, very nice, very nice. So Zaika Ka Tadka is basically an online food recipe platform. We have over 1 million followers and we do live cooking video. So we are doing a live coverage. So since both Chef Anthony and you are here and you are both one of the, amongst the 5 judges panel, what are you looking for when you look in a contestant recipe as a judge? What do you see in the recipe?
So it's like, what are we going to eat? So they were given this mystery box, and we have to see that did they use all the products from the mystery box, because that was a surprise element to the cooking. So you have to do something on the spot. So we're going to see if how well they have executed. So that's the E part. A is actually how it's going to end up looking. T, how it's going to taste. So eat.
Eat. Oh, nice. Exquisite. Exquisite. A is.
A is how have you make
appearance.
artistic
appearance. Okay, and T is how is it going to taste?
And T for taste.
T
so
for
those are the important things, the 3 things. And then we're also going to look for cleanliness and if they've used any particular technique or something really unusual that is not very common. So then we are looking at that as well. So there's a lot of things there. There's like taste, creativity, presentation.
Okay, taste, creativity, presentation, cleanliness. So this is very nice. That's really nice.
Judged on all these criteria.
Judged on all these criteria. What about you, Chef Anthony? What is it that you are looking for when contesting?
For me, first of all, when I look at a plate, it needs to appeal to me. That is number one for me. It needs to, because if it doesn't look good, I'm never going to even touch it. So taste doesn't even come in the picture.
If the appearance,
for me, then if it looks good, then I start tasting it. And if I've tasted it and I like it, it becomes extremely important for me. And it's also important for me to see that it's been done in a hygienic manner. Food is clean. So that's another very important aspect for me. So these are the 3 top things for me, that food needs to look good, needs to taste good, and I need to know it is clean.
It is clean. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's really nice. Nice tip. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Anthony. Yes.
So we are just going to start the wine tasting.
Oh, okay.
And what we are going to be showing the audience is how all these ingredients can be used with wine and paired with wine.
Okay.
So all the things that you see here, we will tell them how these things which you typically feel cannot be used with the wine can be used very well, and different wines work with different fruits and different spices. So all of that is being taken.
Okay. So that is the event that is going to happen.
Going on there.
Okay. So has the live cooking demo started?
No, it's going to start.
It's going to start. So we are going to move towards the next door where Manu Chandra, the celebrity chef, is doing a live cooking demo, guys. You need to be there because he is an amazing chef, very famous for his food, and you can just Google him and you will know how famous he is. In fact, he was featured under 40 in Business Forbes India, and we are moving towards that corner where the live cooking demo is just going to start. देखिए this is the event कि साकू का सारा event हो रहा है and we are just going to see. So we are going to see if the cooking event will start. So this is where the live cooking demo will happen. I'll come in here when it is going to start. And Manu Chandra is there, so I'll be showing you live. This is being sponsored by Nolte Kitchens. Nolte Kitchens is there and Manu Chandra will be doing it, guys. देखिए, this is amazing. Thank you so much. Hi Shapna, hi everyone. Thank you so much 50. Yes, Vishali. Hi Diksha, hi Kumkum. Guys, I hope you are having a lovely time. This is the best part. आप देखिए, we will do such live cooking contest. It's a good lesson for us कि live cooking contest में judges क्या देखते हैं, what are they looking for, and you see all these master chef events, right? So Chef Anthony Huang, who is the executive chef at Sheridan Grand, he actually helped organize. He was also in the MasterChef Australia की team में थे. He helped them organize the event. So आप देखिए, he is so talented, he is so amazing. Manu Chandra, again a celebrity chef. उन सब ने अभी आपको आके बताया कि what is it that they are looking for in a recipe, flavor, innovation, taste, appearance, hygienic तरीके से बना है या नहीं बना है, how does it look, like taste में कैसा है, उसका presentation कैसा है, all these they are looking at.
Open ratatouille is getting ready.
Oh, which one?
Open ratatouille.
Oh, open ratatouille. Okay, that's the first time I've heard. Oh, nice. Nice. ये देखिए, this is what we have to look into it. Hi Kritika, so they're just making it, guys. So ये देखिए, garlic के ऊपर they have made it. So this is the open ratatouille. देखिए, team 1 का first recipe is ready. How beautifully they are presenting it. Wow, Srishti ji, that's really nice, guys. आप लोगों के लिए भी आप लोग ये देखिए, हम ब्लैक बॉक्स के इंग्रेडिएंट्स रखेंगे, आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीक इट्स द लाइव ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कुकिंग इवेंट कॉन्टेस्ट ऑन जायका का तड़का, वेयर पार्टिसिपेंट्स from all over the world using the black box ingredients can participate. Live broadcasting पे आइए, जो सबसे अच्छी रेसिपी होगी उसको प्राइजेस मिलेंगे from जायका का तड़का. आप हमें ऑफलाइन वीडियो भी भेज सकते हैं. if you're not comfortable with live video, we will be giving them exciting prizes if they come in the winners list. So ये देखिए, it's amazing. So there is the contest for all of you. So ये देखिए, open ratatouille is ready. Wow, beautiful. It's looking so nice. देखिए गार्लिक को कितने अच्छे से उन्होंने बनाया है, हर्ब्स एंड इससे कितना अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन है. गाइस, प्लीज डू लव, लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो. दिस इज द लाइव कुकिंग कॉन्टेस्ट का कवरेज. 6 teams are cooking live right now. They are cooking live. यहाँ पे देखिए फलाफल. वाओ. तो ये देखिए, they are making something.
Chef, these have to be deep fried.
तो देखिए, ये मेडिटेरेनियन प्लाटर है, द फ्यूजन प्लाटर दे आप preparing.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good, good. So देखिए, yeah, extremely busy. So you are just
visual artist. No, I'm not.
Okay, so you are
Don't
just
take my-
observing, right?
Yeah,
So
I'm
just
just
wanted to
coming
ask you,
to eat.
just coming to eat. So how are you feeling about this contest, right? Just
So much, everyone seems to be under so much pressure.
under so much of pressure, right? Yeah, they have to be right. 60 and cleanliness, hygiene, appearance, everything they have to look at. Okay, that's really nice. So much. So देखिए, the Mediterranean platter is getting ready, guys. This is amazing. With that black box, and they are making falafel out there. Falafel भी वहाँ पे बना रहे हैं. And the baklava is the dessert there. Mediterranean platter में falafel, everything they are making. What are these called?
These are the pitas.
Pitas. Oh, pita bread के उसमें fusion. Pita bread वो कर रहे हैं. तो ये देखिए, pita bread बनाए हैं fusion style में. So it is. Thank you, Reni ji. Thank you so much, guys. अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो please do love, like and share this video. ये देखिए, they are making this.
Wait a second. This is for the salad.
1 minute, I'm putting all the peppers.
तो ये देखिए, Thai paneer tikka and Thai paneer tikka is one of the recipes they are making it. Thai paneer tikka. देखिए, यहाँ पे बन रहा है Thai paneer tikka. Thai paneer tikka की प्रिपरेशन हो गई है. And there is one more recipe. पेस्टो ग्रेवी के संग वो बना रहे हैं. Minus, yes.
What is the lowest? Excuse me, please.
Yeah. So you make a pesto gravy. I don't even want to disturb them. And the Tibetan food जो मैंने आपको बताया था, they are making that. It's amazing. जब judges होंगे तब भी वो करेंगे. They are making it. The Oriental Express, जैसे कि टीम ने बताया था, they are making it right. This is amazing. This team is making it. Very nice presentation. ये देखिए. Everyone is in a rush right now. जब live cooking event होता है, when you don't know the ingredients, until you have to do it, they're making it very nice. Very busy, guys. Please do love, like and share this video. I'll be now moving towards the live cooking demo by Manu Chandra, who will be showing us a pure veg live cooking demo, guys. I think you should be watching this because it's a unique chance for us to be doing this, to be able to see him doing this. It's amazing what he is doing. Please do love, like and share this video. Anisha, we just showed the live cooking contest. Now we are moving towards the hall where Manu Chandra, the celebrity chef, will be doing a live cooking demo for us as part of Nolte Kitchens.
Other two women I interviewed as well, they used food to give them personal and economic freedom, because sometimes it's not just the money, but you want to express yourself and you want self-realization, actualization. So all of this came to them through food and cooking. And I was very struck at this project of training women to understand cooking, food safety, and what they can do with it. Because the world will always be hungry. And if you can cook, you're a very powerful person. So I hope it's going to be very good for the ladies who got these certificates. And I wish them all good luck.
Thank you, Kaveri. That was really so true what you said. Thank you so much. I'd like to say a very big thank you to Arshia and team, Phoenix Kesaku, to host this Picky Flow Culinary Masters event. It's been a wonderful association, Arshia and team, and we look forward to a fun afternoon together. Thank you, and Arshia, may I request you to say a few?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here, and thank you, Yasho and Picky Flow and the managing committee for coming to Phoenix Kesaku. At Phoenix, we don't just believe in selling you an apartment. We believe in creating experiences. We at Phoenix One Bangalore West are apartments which are ready to move into, or Phoenix Kesaku or Sky Bungalows. It's all about experiences, and we're very happy to host one such experience here. I'm not going to take too much time. I'm just going to run you to a quick walkthrough which showcases our product, and then we get on to the fun stuff for the afternoon. Thank you.
Before we move on.
Thank you, Arshia.
So this is the event that we are doing, guys. देखिए वहाँ पे cooking contest चल रहा है. I'll be back in this room once again. I'll just move towards, मैं आपको cooking contest का for people who have just joined, देखिए live cooking contest चल रहा है. Participants are busy making. Simultaneously 60 minutes में they have to make 2 recipes. उनको ingredients कुछ नहीं पता है. I just showed you पूरा यहाँ पे busy है. It's very beautifully done. Very nicely done as well, and we are looking for Chef Ashley. He is there. And देखिए guys, please do love, like and share this video. This is the live cooking event. मैंने आपको बताया Mediterranean platter से लेके Mediterranean fusion platter से लेके Tibetan fusion से लेके देखिए, this is the grocery store, grocery bank they have set up. This is a beautiful location, and it's the first live cooking event. That's the two chef of Chef Anthony Mohan. who is doing this. Hi Kunal.
Hey, how are
Hi,
you?
so he's the sous chef for Chef Anthony Huang. How is it going right now?
Everything is going good. I seem to have some nice, interesting food over here. Smells good. So maybe in few minutes I'll judge them and we'll have some food to eat also.
Good to eat also. Okay, very nice. Thank you so much, Kunal. Thanks a lot. He's the sous chef at Sheraton Grand. We are going to move towards it, guys. So देखिए, everyone is busy making it. So quickly, वो देखिए, that is wow, looking beautiful. देखिए, one of the team एक ready भी है. See, they are making it. They are busy making this. It's amazing, guys. Look at it. देखिए, स्लो इसलिए अनीशा जी अभी मैं वहाँ पे जा रही हूँ जहाँ पे शेफ मनु चंद्रा लाइव कुकिंग डेमो कर रहे हैं. I'm just showing you the teams they are making. This is the fusion platter. Fusion platter देखिए वहाँ पे बन रहा है Mediterranean Indian fusion platter. पिटा ब्रेड फलाफल सब कुछ बन रहा है. बकलावा बनेगा इंडियन स्टाइल में. See how beautifully they are decorating. They are deciding it. We'll move to the live cooking demo by Manu Chandra. देखिए that is Thai paneer tikka. They are making the team 3. That is making team 4. The Oriental Express. Oriental Express यहाँ पे हो रहा है, guys. I'm covering this live for all of you. Special Tibetan dish बन रही है. Special cuisine बन रहा है. They have made something, team 5. So they have yet not decided. तो देखिए यहाँ पे rice.
Once you're done with this, we have a meeting waiting over here and we judge you according to the hygiene and the cleanliness.
देखिए they are being told of it. So you are the only team जिनका has the recipe been decided now. Everyone else has decided. Has the recipe been decided? What are you making? What are the recipe you are live on Zaika Ka Tadka?
Okay, we have Mexican rice.
Uh-huh.
We are serving that with a stir fry on the side. We have some guacamole and then we have the grilled paneer with a different red pepper sauce.
Oh, nice, nice. Looking forward to it. So देखिए ये रहा team 5 का Mexican rice and बताएंगे पनीर को वो decorate करेंगे. So really nice, guys. You should be. I'll be sharing the black box ingredients. I'll be sharing the black box ingredients with all of you. So we will be doing it.
Just tell us how everything's going on so that we could probably take a bite.
Yeah. So this is not in any hotel. This is an apartment complex.
I'm working in Sheraton. I'm just working as a sous chef. So right now we have 6 people participating over here. We have live cooking show. About 30 minutes up, we have a nice interesting, innovative. So I'm about in the next 15 minutes I can tell you what they are actually preparing.
We have covered you live as well. Taking this. You are there. Thank you. So, Chef, you are here. So, maybe now you can give us a tip, guys. If you can give us a tip on cooking, since you are such a, well-recognized chef from Sheraton Grand, आप बताएंगे any tip for our audience while cooking?
For me, my tip is very simple. I like people to keep their food simple. Don't try and do too much, because the more you try and do with your food, the less healthier it becomes, the less tastier it becomes. Just try, keep food the way it's supposed to be. Don't try and overdo stuff. When you're presenting your food, if you're confident about your food, I feel that you should not be hiding behind something. A lot of people put very elaborate garnishes that you forget what the actual food is. So, for me, I just like to keep it that way. Looks nice, looks presentable, great to eat. For me, that's good food.
That's good food. Yes, thank you so much. अच्छे से simplicity is the key, right? Don't too much into show off. Just simple food, well garnished. It's
absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much, Anthony. Thank you so much for doing this, guys. That was the chef Anthony Huang, the executive chef at Sheraton Grand Bangalore, one of the most famous 5-star hotels, guys. We are lucky enough to be getting these tips from him. Do hear it out. And now we are going to Manu Chandra's live cooking demo, guys. Excuse me. Hi.
just waiting for Manu Chandra. Manu Chandra's event to start, guys. Here the live cooking demo will happen. Here the live cooking demo by Manu Chandra will happen, and that's where while we are standing, Manu Chandra is a celebrity chef and partners of very famous
Chef Manu Chandra to do a small live demo for us. Thank you, Chef. I'd now like to invite Chef Manu Chandra to do his live cooking demo. Thank you, Manu. Thank you, Manu.
Alright, good morning everyone. Can you all hear me? Loud and clear? Yes, we can. I will start my demo the moment I
Call Manu, no?
The ingredients on your tray.
Very well.
इधर लेके आओ, इधर लेके आओ. What bowl do you need? All your ingredients are need some spoon.
Guys, please do let me know अगर आपको वॉइस आ रही है नहीं आ रही है.
Can do this.
There is a chef Manu Chandra doing the live cooking demo for all of you. ये देखिए in this event. So he'll just be speaking. He's just getting all the ingredients.
I've probably got everything pre-prepped and cooked, so there's not going to be very much cooking happening per se, but it'll give you some ideas hopefully. Huh? That Vicky Flo will send you. I will need a couple of bowls, couple of mixing bowls, and a couple of spoons.
As we are doing the live, there is Manu Chandra doing the live cooking demo here as part of.
Okay, so this is going to be a little more challenging than the competition outside. Because there are some rules about usage of heat, etc. in this room, so I will not be able to do certain things over here, so we'll probably send it out. But it's fairly simple, and of course, I've been talking about, well, it's interesting, you know, because these days I get a lot of people who call me out and saying, I want something which is gluten-free, it's dairy-free, it's vegan, what can you make me? So I said French fries. Because they fit all the criteria perfectly. No, how can you give me French fries? I said, well, if you want something as fancy as that, you have to give any chef or any kitchen a heads up. So they're prepared for something exciting. You know, this is not stuff that you can just pull out of thin air and serve in a restaurant. So we're a little prepped over here. And it's really, you know, the one thing that I've always said, why are TV shows so glamorous? Why are cooking shows so glamorous? It's seldom the chef or the production quality, it's always a good editor. And when you take away all the mundane and boring part of the cooking and just focus on all the exciting things, it always looks attractive. And that's what I've really done. I've edited everything out and kept it to the bare minimum. The one thing that I've been speaking about a lot of late, thank you very much, and is the use and the revival of millets, which of course now if you have been following the press and online blogs and generally the trend in the country, a lot of young chefs in general have started using millets in their food. People have started inculcating it in their diets from a health perspective. So I really think that it should be a lot more mainstream. And I don't know what to do with all that. That's too much. Okay. Just some spoon. And I mean, of course, there's a long list of benefits both for people who are consuming it as well as the people who are growing it. And I wouldn't go into the details of it. I'm sure you can mail that out as well of why more millets should be consumed. And they definitely more expensive than, let's say, your ubiquitous rice and wheat. And there's a reason for that, and the reason for it is that people stop growing it. Even though it's one of the easiest things to grow, it's drought resistant, it doesn't require a whole bunch of pesticides. It grows in areas where it's very hard to grow things in general. But this rapid commercialization of agriculture, especially with rice and wheat, has seen that a lot of these indigenous grains have disappeared. And now we're importing quinoa by the, what are those big things that don't come on ships called? Containers, by the containers full, which is kind of ironic because we've always had the magic grains with us. And I'm glad to see that there is some sort of revival. Even if it's trend driven right now, at least people are recognizing how to use it. Because I think the most common complaint I hear is they don't know how to use it or cook it effectively. And I have to admit there was a bit of a learning curve for me as well, because when I started experimenting with millets, of course, I came into a city and a state which was known for its ragi mudde, etc. So obviously millets have always been a very integral part of the cuisine of the state, and the cuisine of the state, of course, has a lot of sub-cuisines. But it was a great place to build the starting point of the new millet revolution. And last year, in the last couple of years actually, the government of Karnataka got involved in a very big way and then pushed this really hard, and we saw it become a national trend. One that is going to keep, what's that for? What is now all this? I don't know what to do with it. Can I get a knife, please? And a cutting board. That would be very handy. So, what I have tried to do here today is essentially, and I will be honest, this was sprung at me a little late, so I didn't plan way ahead, but we just basically went into the larder and said, what can we pull out which would be interesting, which is easy to make at home? And right now I'm trying to figure what can be made in the oven, or maybe on a flat, flat pan, or even a fryer. So technically the recipe that I've developed over here is made in a fryer. Don't worry, it's not overtly fatty. So we've got two kinds of millets over here, right, which have been soaked and boiled, and it's usually a 2:1 ratio. It's not very difficult. You just want to make sure that when you bite it after it's cooked. Some people drain water out of it. Some people like to cook it almost like a pulao so that all the water gets soaked up. And we've got chickpeas that we've soaked overnight and chopped up very roughly, coarsely with a knife. So it's like basically I'm making a falafel, okay? I'm not reinventing the wheel over here, keeping it simple, but we're making it with millets, which is unusual because falafels are not usually made with grains, they're only made with chickpeas, which I find kind of hilarious because when I started serving it at Olive, 14, 15 years ago, everyone's like, what's this dal vada that's being served in this fancy restaurant? Because that's essentially what it is. You can glorify it all you want, but it's somebody else's version of a dal vada. It's very tasty. And we've been trying to give it spins, and we do a slightly different version at Olive, for example. We don't do the traditional one. We do add a lot of interesting ingredients in it. Indians like flavor. Indians love big flavor. And we like complexity. And that's really where the challenge for the chef always comes in. I was looking at what was happening outside, and so I came in over here. There's some very accomplished cooks with some great ideas.
So that was the live cooking demo by famous celebrity chef Manu Chandra going on there, guys. In the meantime, I'll take you to the place where the action is also happening. देखिए, the judges are doing it. Cleanliness चल रहा है. This is what it is. यहाँ पे देखिए already things are getting plated, and this is so nice. People are getting ready. The dishes are getting made. 60 minutes over होने वाले हैं, and this is being done. Team A has already done the plating, and they are making it. 60 minutes over होने वाले हैं, guys. Do tell me. I'll show you all the platings that have been done. Now the rest. Yeah. Wow. देखिए Philippine Oriental Express team ने कितना अच्छा बनाया है. This is what is happening. Wow. 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 This is the Thai paneer
I think we
tikka.
need to listen here.
This is the rice pesto gravy. Wow. Guys, देखिए, you are going to be amazed at what these participants are coming up with. So we are just going to open ratatouille
वो
in
bread
it.
डाल देंगे तो उसमें call it a low carb meal.
And how delicious delight. Oh my god, that's amazing. It's really amazing. देखिए ओपन रेसिपी गाइस, आप ध्यान से देखिए, ये जो ब्लैक बॉक्स का है इसमें आप मुझे, मैं ब्लैक बॉक्स शेयर करूँगी, अगर आप इसके संग आप हमें ऑफलाइन वीडियो भेज सकते हैं। आपकी रेसिपी जायका का तड़का पे पोस्ट की जाएगी अगर आपका ऑफलाइन वीडियो अच्छा होगा। एंड प्लस अगर आपको लाइव ब्रॉडकास्टिंग वीडियो करना है उस ब्लैक बॉक्स इंग्रेडिएंट के संग, तो आप अपनी रेसिपी के संग आइए। जो रेसिपी सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव, इनोवेटिव और लाइक्ड होगी उसको हम प्राइज़ देंगे। वील बी गिविंग प्राइजेस टू द मोस्ट क्रिएटिव एंड इनोवेटिव प्राइजेस। सो डू जॉइन अस गाइस। ओपन डिजाइन के लिए हर्बलिशियस डिलाइट। वाओ, जस्ट लुक एट इट एंड जस्ट लुक एट द क्लेंजीनेस एज वेल। देखिए कितना वो कर दिया है। देखिए पिज़्ज़ा ब्रेड एंड फलाफल है, वेजिटेरियन फ्यूजन प्लाटर इज इन। देखिए डेकोरेशन चल रहा है गाइस। प्लीज डू लव, लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो। दिस इज अमेजिंग थिंग विच इज हैपनिंग। जस्ट लुक एट इट। देखिए कितना वो कर रहे हैं। दिस इज सो नाइस। देखिए दे आर डूइंग द वो, वी मूव टू टीम सी। देयर रेसिपी इज रियली नाइस। वाओ मैन, यू हैव गॉट टू गिव इट टू दीज टीम्स। देखिए कितने इनोवेटिव एंड क्रिएटिव के संग आए हैं। डू यू गाइज वांट सच अ कॉन्टेस्ट ऑन जायका का तड़का एज वेल? डू लेट मी नो। मेंबर्स ऑफ जायका का तड़का विल बी गिवन अ चांस। ये देखिए वाओ, यू टेल मी विच इज़ योर पिक। वी विल ऑल्सो बी कंडक्टिंग। आप बताइए अगर आपका विनर, जिनका विनर जजेस के साथ वो मैच करेगा, उनका हम एक लकी ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड वी विल बी गिविंग देम अ लाइव प्राइज। देखिए द प्रिपरेशन इज गोइंग ऑन ऑलरेडी। द सेटिंग दे आर जस्ट डूइंग इट वेरी नाइस गाइस। दिस इज सो नाइस। दिस इज क्रिएटिविटी एट इट्स बेस्ट। ये आपकी तरह ही लोग हैं जो कि कुकिंग कर रहे हैं और देखिए कितनी इनोवेटिव रेसिपीज के संग आ रहे हैं। दीज आर मॉम्स, entrepreneur chefs, moms, homemakers like you who are doing this, and it's amazing. Business professionals who have come together to take part in this contest. 60 minutes में unknown ingredients के संग they have। देखिए it's amazing. I'll be sharing, I'll definitely be sharing with you, all of you. The plating is going on guys, so we will be having a look at it. It's amazing what they have done. This is really so nice. This is really so nice guys. This is amazing what they have done. Wow. देखिए कितनी सुंदर plating है. With that black box they have come up with such amazing food. Thai paneer tikka, wow. Really looking very nice, yeah. I'm admiring it along with our users. Guys, please do love, like and share this video. These are moms, homemakers, entrepreneurs, professionals who have just come together. They are in a hurry. 60 minutes, last 10 minutes of this cooking show. Who is going to be the winner, guys? Please do let me know. So they are making the pizza. Put this first. Yes, starter. Oh, team A has finished also. They are the fastest one, I think. Nobody has. Tibetan Oriental Express, and they are the fastest one. Wow, this is open vegetable. Wow, looking so nice, guys. Please do love it. This is Harbelicious Delight, guys. Please do love, like and share this video. Yeah, it's really looking very nice. This is amazing, guys. Please do love, like and share this video. This is the first time Zaika Ka Tadka में we are doing the live coverage of this event. Please do love, like and share this video. आपको कहीं और ऐसे देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. This is the pita bread they are doing. Amazing fusion, Mediterranean and platter. देखिए Thai paneer tikka and pesto gravy with rice. Mexican rice is ready. This platter is almost ready, and see, wow, this team is ready. They have finished also, and they are clicking photographs. Very nice. This is amazing what they are doing. देखिए it's amazing.
One more, please. One more.
ये देखिए
आपको ये वाला रेसिपी कैसे लग रही है guys? देखिए ब्लैक बॉक्स के संग they have come up with such an amazing mention the city from you are watching. Yes, please do बताइए आप कहाँ से देख रहे हैं. We would love to know. देखिए how excited these participants are. And we'll ask them. So can you please again tell us the name of the recipe?
Laksa.
This is
Laksa.
Laksa.
Yeah.
Okay.
With the sauteed rice, with the rice and sauteed vegetable, and jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice.
It is basil, jasmine rice.
Okay.
With pepper. And this is curry laksa, peanut curry laksa.
Okay.
And those are stir-fried vegetables.
Very beautiful it is. And this is which cuisine?
It's Malaysian.
Malaysian cuisine. And this is the Tibetan.
And this is Tibetan.
Oh, nice.
It's called emadase.
Emadase, wow.
And it's a mix of different cheeses, and we improvised with whatever ingredients they gave us. So we have the big chilies, green peppers, red peppers, the bhaji chilies, and then we have the cottage cheese mixed with the Gruyere. And so it's like a spicy fondue,
very nice.
But with the oriental touch.
Very nice. So you are the Oriental Express,
Yes,
right?
we are Oriental Express.
Very nice, very nicely done. Looking really neat. I think you are the fastest ones also, right? You are the first team to finish.
Yeah, we are the first.
First team to you. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So the plating is going on for team 5. They are still making it. So let's see what they come up with. We are going to make it the rice and the salad. Guys, this is amazing. This is the Picky Flow का culinary event, cooking event. Picky Flow ने sponsor करा है along with Phoenix Kissaku. Picky Flow is a non-profit organization for women empowerment. अगर आप startup कर रहे हैं या फिर आप चाहते हैं आपके प्रोफेशन में कोई आपको हेल्प चाहिए, आप स्टार्टअप करने का मन है आपका, या आपको स्किल्स अपग्रेड करना चाहते हैं, तो पिकी फ्लो इज देयर. सर्च करिए, अपने हर सिटी में इनका एक चैप्टर होता है, द पावर टू एम्पावर. दिस इज द पिकी फ्लो बेंगलुरु चैप्टर. थैंक यू ज्योति जी, थैंक यू सियोना जी. आप इजराइल से देख रहे हैं. दीपिका दिल्ली से बताइए आप सब कहाँ से देख रहे हैं. वी आर कवरिंग दिस इवेंट टू शो यू द क्रिएटिविटी. वी ऑल्सो हैड अ वर्ड विद मनु चंद्र, द सेलिब्रिटी शेफ, द एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ फ्रॉम शेरटन ग्रैंड, very famous 5-star hotel. उनके executive chef से करा. We also talked with a couple of other judges, Radhika ji and Kaveri ji, and they told us as a judge what does a judge look for in the contest. The executive chef at Sheraton told us, right, he's held MasterChef Australia, so he's one of the judges there. And ये देखिए, so this is ready, right? This is the Herbalicious Delight.
Yes.
Right, and this is open without Ratatouille. Okay, I am very bad. I haven't watched the movie also. So, open Ratatouille. So you देखिए, very nice looking. This is देखिए, with a black box. They have come up with such innovative ingredients. This is so nice. Can't wait to try this. चेन्नई से ममता देख रही हैं, ज्योति दिल्ली, पनवेल से मौसमी, रश्मि पटना. दैट्स वेरी नाइस. थैंक यू ज्योति. गाइस प्लीज बताइए आप कहाँ से देख रहे हैं, एंड प्लीज टेल अस. मैंने आपको 2 टीम्स को ऑलरेडी दिखाए हैं. These are moms, homemakers, entrepreneurs, professionals like you who are doing this. They are not professional chefs here who are participating. देखिए कितना नाइस वो लोग प्लेट कर रहे हैं. दिस इज रियली नाइस. Just getting their Mediterranean fusion platter ready. Team 3, Team 4 is already ready. Let's have a like Thai paneer tikka, Mexican rice with pesto gravy and Thai paneer tikka इन्होंने बनाया है. This is looking so nice, guys. We really need to learn. चंडीगढ़ से करमजीत जी, मेनका दिल्ली से, प्राची दिल्ली, राजगढ़ से प्रतिभा. Guys, please do love, like and share this video. We would love to see from you. Here are the judges who are standing here. So देखिए, there's a participating. Such commotion is going on, and when the judging will happen, I'll show you that also. Thank you, Fiona. Thank you, really. I hope you have had a wonderful time with this, because this is for you all. I just wanted to give you a taste of how live cooking contest दिखता कैसे है. देखिए, ये सब हमारी तरह ही है, and they've come up with such amazing decoration as well. तो ये देखिए, we will be seeing this team. Last minute preparation चल रही है टीम 5 की, and टीम 6 की. We are doing this. Wow.
We haven't made the soup because we made the three sauces. We made three sauces. The chili and one garlic, the ginger and the sweet sauce. It's vegetarian. There's no sauce. You want one? Yeah. So how do we know the borderless?
Very nice.
The chestnut खत्म हो गया है. Not because we saturated it. Oh, why don't you try this? This may be not the original. This is the original. That's it. Try this. I got it.
Very nice. देखिए guys, this is the amazing thing.
The green don't need a sauce with this actually. Just this soya. This one, maybe and this.
Yeah, thank you Karanti ji, thank you Mona, thank you Sanju. Priyanka Lucknow say hi, Shafia, hi Mona. I am glad that you guys are liking it. Yeah.
Okay.
How are you? तो ये देखिए, amazing. Thank you guys. बताइए आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Are you enjoying? So this is the amazing thing that they are doing. Wow, guys. देखिए कितनी creativity है. Maybe we all can learn from it and learn from all these teams. And now they are just preparing everything. 16. So we will start from team 1 once again because now most of them are ready with their platter and we'll be showing all of you. So this is the creativity at its best. You should be doing it. देखिए amazing guys, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Have you learned from these teams? These are moms like you, these are entrepreneurs like you, are professionals like you, and they are doing it. This is the team 1 का platter. अब आप मुझे बताइएगा आपके winners कौन से हैं? अगर आपका winning choice और judges का choice match होता है, so we will be giving you a prize. We'll do a lucky draw winner, and one lucky draw winner will get an amazing prize from us. देखिए वो baklava is ready. Baklava the Mediterranean style. Wow. This is. Thank you Mona ji. Thank you. And that's the Mediterranean fusion platter is ready. For these 15 beads, this is really nice. Wow, they have really come out to be very nice. This is the Mexican rice and Thai paneer platter. देखिए decoration चल रहा है so that the judges can come. I'll be showing you the judges' reaction as well. We'll be covering that, guys. This is amazing what they are doing. This is the Tibetan. This is the Tibetan style, and this is the Tibetan.
No, I was waiting for you to.
I think they're getting ready for the judges. Yeah, judges. There's no egg in it. Neena ji, there's no egg in it. I don't know आपने कहाँ देखा है? There no eggs have not been used there. This is a pure veg cooking wala. So, yeah, no worries. What are the names of the
Switch on this induction. Just switch on the induction. You want some caramelized?
So ये देखिए the name of the recipes. This is ready, guys. This is a picky flow. Thank you Rashmi ji. Thank you so much. I'm glad you are liking it. सब veg है यहाँ पे. It's all veg. No veg. Here that's why we are doing it. And देखिए that's the recipe which is ready. And they are tasting also. So you like the taste?
I like it.
You like the taste? Okay.
Though a bit spicy. I hope the judges don't find it too spicy, but we like spicy food, so.
Bangalore is known for its spicy food, so I'm sure.
Chinese, anything Chinese.
Yeah, anything Chinese. What's the name of the recipe?
It's a
So देखिए, this is amazing. Thank you, lovely जी. I'm happy that you guys are liking it. Please do love, like and share this video. आपके love like motivate करेंगे हर mom को. आप भी participate कर सकते हैं ऐसे events में, because these are moms, entrepreneurs, professionals, working women like you who are participating in this contest. So देखिए, 60 minutes में they have come up with such amazing recipes, guys. Where else will you get this? Nowhere else will you get this. And ये सब देखिए, you don't have to be a master chef to be able to make these. These moms have come together to make these such an amazing master chef like dishes, and they're doing it. So आप भी इससे inspire हुई हैं, आप भी कर सकते हैं like Chef Anthony said, go for simplicity always. हम garnishing के पीछे इतना चले जाते हैं कि हम भूल जाते हैं कि what they are cooking. Go for simplicity. That is what they are looking for, and they're just making it. This is so amazing, guys. Everyone is just ready. So Chef, you are excited for tasting this?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to see
so
what
Chef
we can
Anthony
taste.
Huang is one of the judges. So you're looking forward to tasting
Absolutely, I've seen some nice, interesting dishes. Seen, a lot of people have used very different methods of cooking, which is very interesting. So I'm looking forward to tasting it.
Looking forward to tasting it. Even we are looking forward to seeing your reactions for these. They are working so hard, and thank you so much, lovely. Entire thing. Guys, this is a live cooking on your bakery. Now they are doing it, and it's amazing, guys. Getting ready. Chef Manu Chandra is back here, and he is doing this, and we are covering it live. तो ये देखिए, very nice. So there's Yashoda Shroff. She is the Picky Flow Bangalore, the chairperson who is doing this, and we are going to go one by one. I think almost everyone has finished. This is the team 1 ka platter, and I'm going to show you all. This is what they have prepared. Open ratatouille and ratatouille. Yes, the pronunciation is right. Open ratatouille. Picante chef and the delicious delight is their presentation, guys. Look at this team, wonderful team. They have done the presentation so beautifully. It's amazing how what they have done. The team B is still getting ready with their fusion platter. That's the falafel and the mixed platter. That's the Mediterranean Indian fusion platter, as well as baklava in Indian style they have made. This is the team 3 that they are making right now. This is Thai paneer tikka, as well as Mexican rice with pesto gravy. That's what they have made. Please do love, like and share this video. This is the live cooking event. देखिए 60 minutes में they have come up with. सबसे अगर आपके घर में गेस्ट आ रहे हैं तो you can also come up with it. This is the Tibetan Oriental Express.
अरे तुम लोग को मिला ना यहाँ एक छोटा सा
तिबेतियन.
Vasu, hold your tissue nicely in an interesting way and write the name. This is what we do. Let's use the tissue now.
ये देखिए, that's the Tibetan cuisine. So ये देखिए. So what are the recipes name?
We made a Mexican rice with salsa
and
on a guacamole platter.
Okay.
And this is a paneer with red pepper sauce.
Paneer red pepper sauce, and this this whole thing is called
sauce with almonds, flaked almonds.
Oh, nice.
Cucumber with yogurt dip.
Yogurt dip. Okay, so that's the salad. Cucumber with yogurt dip. This is paneer the red sauce. उन्होंने पनीर के ऊपर ही बनाई है, and this is Mexican rice with salsa on a guacamole dip. How delicious delight. Okay, that's your pick, Deepika ji. So very nice. That's your pick. This is team 6. Team 6, they have come up with so many recipes. This is amazing, guys. Please do love, like and share this video. This is the Picky Live contest going on live right now.
cultural words like this.
So guys, this is the event that we have done. So now what we are going to do is, so now this is the event where they get Team 6 judges is ready and everyone is getting ready to be judged by the judges. So what we are going to do is, I hope you really enjoyed this. Now what I'll do is I'll close this live video and we will be then going live. Same here, lovely Tanvan ji. मेरा भी देख के दिल कर रहा है टेस्ट करने का, and that's what we are going to do. This is amazing. Everyone is just getting ready. Let me just, you tell me.
नाम लिखो ना. What is it called? Here and right.
Take a tissue paper and you can write it on that. Combination Delight is going to win. Thank you, Subhadra ji. Guys, please do love, like and share this video. See, all the teams are ready. And we are going to... So let's go there where the judges are going to start. So we are judges की तरफ walk कर रहे हैं. The judges are tasting now and they are going to decide who is the winner now. So let's wait and see.
Cutlery to taste.
My board is पीछे.
So you देखिए, the judges are here and they are going to now. They are now going to. So this is the team 1 cup. This is the Picante Chef, Herbalicious Delight and Open Ratatouille. बनाया है, देखिए इन्होंने. The judges are ready. They're just waiting for their pen, guys. So देखिए, this is the first time you'll get an up close chance also to see कि judges कैसे decide करते हैं and how they come up with the winners. It's a wonderful chance and opportunity for us. All the 5 eminent judges are here.
Starting the tasting. Starting come.
Yeah, so that's Yashoda Shah. She's the Picky Flow chairman. Guys, if you're looking for women empowerment things, if you're looking for confidence building, if you're looking for mentorship,
With burnt garlic, and with an jalapeno pickle.
Jalapeno pickle.
Yeah, so that's just to go with the flavor.
So you've been able to use up all your ingredients?
Yes.
Where's the paneer?
The paneer is in the bell pepper.
Okay, that's tough. The paneer. Okay, great. So
With the so we just dip them in olive oil. So if you like to have it more spicy, you can have a bite.
we'll go by what you say. Plus?
the judges are going to decide now. Guys, they're going to taste.
Can we get smaller plates?
This is the judges' food. So the judges are busy deciding.
Water chestnut.
What is this?
Yes.
Peanut. No one has haldi. Go ahead.
The judges are tasting food. This is the right thing. दीपिका देखिए इतने एमिनेंट जजेस हैं. I don't
This is an open ratatouille. What did you say?
Guys, please do love, like and share this video. आप बताइए कौन जीतेगा. I would love to hear from you. These are all eminent personalities who are judging this contest. This is the live coverage of the contest.
As low carb as possible. So we just binding oil and very minimal oil. Just a portion, you want it to balance it all out. Sorry, just saute with some olive. It just grill. Yeah, you can just take an jalapeno with that.
Thank you. I done need
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's spicy, but it's very nice. Apparently.
Tell me,
What do you think will really like? So this is the open design area. Now we are going.
Mediterranean Indian fusion, Independence Day, tricolor.
Yeah, so the story was we wanted how we could bring that on. So it's pretty much all desi but with the Mediterranean.
And so you have four things. You have the falafel made with Indian spices and all the veggies, the broccoli, the zucchini, and the carrots, and the paneer is really covered. You have four tips. That's the tips. One is ziti, one is yellow charred bell pepper, one is the barbecue with the green ginger. And one is, this is a mix of onion gravy with little cream. And this is the regular chili mirchi, mirchi, the tempura batter, the mirchi, and then another very Indian thing into tempura batter and deep fry. So trying to create like a global.
And that's a baklava we did with
We have tried to make a baklava with a shahi tukra and pineapple cream. Pineapple Srikhand yogurt base.
You know, a lot of stuff in 1 hour, huh?
We are
4 days.
and a half joining us. So
Congratulations. You are hungry, basically. You wanted your lunch in a hurry.
But I like the bit, I love the bit where you said, you have a story behind this. I think that's essentially what food is all about. You really need to have a proper story behind what you're doing.
We all met for the first time and we all are from different parts of India. Yeah.
But it's a lot of
I
food
mean, we
you're
are part of the group, but we've never really interacted. So, yeah. It was a lot of planning and who's going to do what, who's going to do what. And
So did you all plan and start cooking, or did you all just end up making so much?
No, we had a plan. General idea that we actually looked into the basic ingredients which will be available, and around that we should use this as the basis of pita that we create mixed veg.
So this is
more like a Indian.
This is the Independence team.
There is the falafel, there is the pita bread, and there is the, should we cut this perhaps? Yeah, you can do that.
This is amazing. देखिए कितना इन्होंने black box से कितना अच्छा बना के this is the tri-color theme. They've tried and the judges are tasting it out. The judges are tasting this out and just look at it. Guys, please do love, like and share this video. This is amazing what they're doing. This is a Picky Floka event. This is going on. Sponsored.
Interesting. Very nice.
Very nice. Chef Anthony Humang from Sheraton says very nice to Team B for the independence. I personally like the Team B theme. That's my choice. Let's see what the judges come up with. देखिए मेरे फलाफल भी है, पीता ब्रेड भी है. दिस इज या शाही टुकड़ा मस्त लग रहा है. दिस इज इंडीज लाइक दैट्स द बकलावा फॉर्म. जस्ट लुक एट इट. कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. दिस इज द टीम बी.
Yes, like if you're nearby him, I can take like here or something.
Where's the red chili that was there in that black box?
Flower style में बनाया, this is really nice. I think Team B is my choice, guys. I've seen all the platters, that's my choice. Please do let me know आपकी choice क्या है. Very nice. Thank you so much. This is really wonderful. Let me just. Very nicely done, huh? I really like the story also you had to. Can I taste also? So now I'm going to also taste it. Yeah, thank you. So how did you guys come up with the story theme?
Sorry?
What?
How did you come up with the story behind it, right? You had a story. If you can also tell our audience.
So the story is that it's Independence Day coming in, and I feel our Indian cuisine is the best. And it has the capacity to amalgamate all cuisines into itself. So we took that as a theory, as a story, and we worked around it. That then we decided on the messy platter, which is the Mediterranean, and we induced those flavors along with that, and we created this.
It's very nice, actually. I'm already my personal picking.
I know something.
The pineapple coming up.
It's really nice. Well done, seriously, really. Love it. Team 3. Now we'll go to the team 3.
Yes. So got a thigh basil in that, and the other rounded that to marinate the
Paneer tikka with Mexican rice and pesto gravy.
That's true, but that's done in a lemon recipe. So
You're trying to make a eggplant biryani. Right?
no,
Pilau.
it's more like a salad.
Thai paneer tikka, Mexican rice and pesto gravy. Sorry.
Thank you so much. Bless you.
तो ये देखिए तो देखिए Thai paneer and baby corn Mediterranean pilaf plus Bengal mirchi salan. Oh, that's a fusion combo that they have done. This is really looking nice. Thai paneer and baby corn in dips. Yeah, sure. Huh? We have an online food recipe platform. I'm not a brand. Thank you so much.
So nice. I saw that. You had said thanks. I hope you like it.
Take the tips.
Very yum.
Thank you.
That's it. This is the Mediterranean pilaf also.
This one?
Bengal pilaf. But I'm the party.
Okay.
Thai paneer.
How did you taste?
Wow.
Yeah. Thank you. And so much quantity all of us can do.
Yes,
2 portions.
Yeah, Marwari, right?
Actually, you cannot peel the eggplant, right? But then the structure will.
Very nice.
Structure
Very
will.
nice. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm getting to taste all these wonderful dishes also, guys. This is the best part. So this is the Oriental Express.
The last 10 minutes is for plating and for cleanliness. But then the time only 10 minutes and then I start going a little flat and
Actually, it's become 4 because of the time extended to 2 minutes. So I hope.
So this is the team 4.
Did you make the paste?
Yes.
The curry laksa was there, but I made the rest.
Peanut curry laksa with basil journal, guys. देखिए finally देखिए this is the judging part which is going on. So like one of the judges said, eat. हम देखते हैं exquisiteness, appearance,
Nice and crunchy laksa.
and taste. So ये देखिए this is going on, guys. Please like and share this video. Please do love, like and share this video, guys. This is amazing. देखिए यहाँ पे taste कर रहे हैं. You have to tell your favorite team as well. Do let me know कि आपकी favorite team कौन सी है and who is going to win this. All the judges are judging this and then the winner will be decided. For winner, I'll be doing another live video. Getting ready. Amazing what
And then different types of the red and green pepper and the bunchy chili and the green chilies, which is all part of this.
all the participants are so nervous.
Thank you. Chef, how are you? You helped us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Peanut curry laksa with basil jasmine rice and Italian chili fondo. Am I that saying?
Yeah, thank you.
God does this.
This is really nice. Taking laksa.
Chili fondo.
Thanks, Chef. Thank you so much. I want to taste that jalapeno.
Amazing. You just go there and see.
The chili is also in the rice, it's also in the salsa, it's also in the other sauce.
This is a great partnership with the roasted red pepper, for the salsa, and it's on a lemon pepper.
That is the cucumber dip with sauce and paneer red.
So that's a cooler.
Am I supposed to dip this in that?
No, this is the roasted salsa. That's it.
Why did you use it here?
Just for effect.
We try to use as little
Everyone is eating. Participants are so nervous. Like clearing their dishes to all the judges and the
It
tasting.
really offsets the spice that's there in this.
Did you blanch the baby corn?
We grilled it on the pan with butter. Yeah, I asked them to
Sorry?
I asked them. What is this sauce at the bottom?
ready guacamole which is available at the... There weren't any avocados anywhere.
Can I pour this? Like, just a little bit on the side?
What does this have?
That's a better guacamole with Spanish rice, which has your all the vegetables, your eggplant as well,
Your broccoli, cabbage.
So the vegetables is chopped inside here? Chopped inside.
Interesting.
Chopped them really small. And we cook the rice from scratch with everything together. And then we made the salsa as well. We roasted it.
13.5.
Oh, is this the main course?
Yes, yes.
Isn't this too less?
would have loved to, but the induction the rice too.
We have more rice.
Sorry?
We had more rice, but then with the plating,
Chef बोल रहे हैं isn't the right less in the
How much will you pay me for this? Now it's the other way around.
Professional. I'm a professional. No, no.
question.
Yeah. Because I'm going to serve it one day, right? Yeah.
Say you're avant-garde European.
and we are in 12, so this is the right amount of food to eat.
So much of carbs.
You need carbs as well.
But what else is there inside?
The what? The avocado, it's so good for you.
The vegetables.
The vegetables, the tomatoes, the garlic. Yeah.
The salsa that goes with the
So what's healthy?
we haven't tried.
Nice. But this tastes really good. No, I'm just on the other side right now. So
I think it is really
enjoy this
tasting
side.
very good.
We'll come back to the restaurant.
So the taste was very nice. They are writing, the judges are eating and tasting and writing every stick. So it's really nice.
Trying sauce. We kept trying. अब नहीं खाना खाएंगे.
So after you
Nice. Now we go to the last team.
You made all from scratch?
out of all the sauces.
now you made something very interesting. Can you tell me what is this Hainanese paneer rice?
So it's something that Chef Anthony Boden, I had tasted it when I had gone abroad and I've done a lot of research on it. So it's basically on chicken. So it's a chicken dish.
Yeah.
So this is the way in Mantu restaurants in Goa they've improvised.
So how did you cook the rice?
The rice I cooked straight away. I didn't take out the water.
No, but did you put some? Obviously, you didn't put chicken stock. So what did you do instead?
I used a lot of the vegetables and herbs that I had and then drained out the
So
vegetables.
you cooked the rice with the vegetables.
With vegetables, carrots, zucchini. I didn't have celery, unfortunately.
So you cooked it in a vegetable
I
stock.
cooked it in a vegetable stock. And then I drained out the vegetables and used the rice. And then later in the last part, I put some parsley and garlic in the rice.
And what about the sauce?
This is the chili garlic sauce. This is the green chili sauce. And this is the basic sweet soya sauce.
So did you make all of this?
Yes, absolutely from scratch.
So am I supposed to have that with the rice?
Yes, can I just assemble a little for you?
Sure. But very tiny.
Yeah, fine.
This is the Hainanese rice and red grilled salted cheese and the oriental salad wraps with coriander soya sauce. That's the team 6. Very nice. Team 2 and team 6, my picks, they are going to have a tough competition. Let's see who the judges decide. It's really coming to be nice.
Yes, how do you, can I have one sauce at a time?
Yeah. We'll go that side. Again, the judges are tasting. Very nice. Who is your pick? Out of all them, the second one? I think between the second and the sixth one, this one.
I have to taste a photo.
Yeah, you have to taste that. It will, I mean, I don't know who they are going to pick, but mine would be the second and the sixth.
With doubt also.
Huh?
Second one and the fourth one also. Interesting.
All of them, yeah, interesting food.
Actually, all of them. All have gone by heart.
Yeah, seriously. It's really nice. And they have all cooked in 60 minutes. That's the best part.
That's the best part.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Yeah. The way they have arranged the place, it's amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing, really. Wow. Oriental salad wraps with coriander soya sauce. That's the recipe there. This is really nice, guys. Please do love, like,
Can I
and
give
share
you one
this
of
video.
the salad wraps you have? Can you see what would you like it in a salad?
I'll just have this.
Yeah, please. She's added the sauce. You've added the sauce.
This is Oriental salad wraps with coriander soya sauce. Chinese rice on a bed of grilled cottage cheese. Oh, innovative dish. Very innovative dish. So nice.
Where's the bagel?
No, you right? Let's see who the judges are going to pick the winner at this time, guys. Let's please do love, like,
Banger and peanuts and
Cucumber, capsicum, baby corn, carrot, onion, water chestnut. Why don't you have it as a wrap? Yeah.
Chandra has come back to again to this. And this is
There's no
nice.
margin for this. Can I give you one of the wraps?
Yeah, I'm just checking to see if you have all the ingredients.
No, yes. And there's Kira also. Carrot, the capsicum, the green capsicum, the red capsicum.
So the judges are deciding, guys. I'm good. Dekhiye, the judges are deciding. The final and they're going to have
Team 6.
Team 6. Very original.
Or this Sadashiv Nagar guy. Dollar guy. Dollar colony guy. Thank you. We were so busy cooking the names. I know.
This is the one. I'm going to taste it now.
Now you taste. Wait, let me make you a wrap.
Not like
that.
Not like this.
वो भी खाओ, ये भी खाओ. उसमें वो सब कम लगेगा. सब साथ.
Come on, taste. Very nice.
What did you all make?
Very nice they are made. Yeah.
What is this? बना के दे. ये क्या है? Tell us please. This is a lettuce wrap with the lemon sauce. It's a
Now I know why
coriander sauce.
Manu and Chandra tasted it twice. It's amazing.
Nice.
Amazing. So we'll move to the judges and silently see what they are doing. Thank you, Mausamji. This is a Picky Flow live cooking event. Chef Anthony Huang is just giving numbers to everyone.
Yep.
They are the judges. See, they are just filling in the entries.
Can this sit somewhere in the collect?
Yeah. We are going to ask him, Chef Anthony Huang, Executive Chef at Sheraton Grand, once he's done.
This was a blended thing, huh?
See, he's just counting the numbers. So you have given, you are done?
I'm done.
So what did you like the most about the cooking today, Chef Anthony?
See, what I really liked about what they did today is that it just tells you that food brings people together. Most of the teams I've been speaking to, many of them are meeting for the first time. And it's amazing that that they were just given an hour to come up with the dishes. And what they've come out with is really splendid, because if you ask me to cook, I'll probably take 20 minutes to just figure out what I want to make.
Yeah.
And given that they've cooked so much of food in an hour, fabulous stuff, and I've really had a good time. Got a lot of new ideas from the way a home cook cooks, because a home cook thinks very differently from a professional chef like us.
Yes.
And sometimes that's what makes home food so special. So I really had a great time judging the event.
So did we.
Enjoyed some lovely flavors.
Lovely flavors indeed.
And very different outlook towards food.
Yes, very different outlook. Very different outlook. Thank you so much, Chef Anthony. It was a pleasure. You can. Thank you so much. Yeah. Chef is calling. Kunal is calling. Hi. So just one quick question since you are live. What did you like the most about today's cooking?
Just the amount of creativity, the passion, not only on the Chef Anthony side where they got all the ingredients, but also the participants. They showed so much of enthusiasm. It was absolutely lovely.
Lovely, yes indeed it was. And
yes, so much they've been able to do in 1 hour. That was really amazing. And enthusiasm, full marks.
Full marks.
Absolutely.
Full marks. We are waiting for who is the final winner.
Yes, it's exciting, very close.
Yeah,
Yes,
very
it will
close.
be very tough for us to decide.
Yes, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much. So we are just going to go to the guest. So guys, देखिए अपेक्षा too good energy, quality, lovely and warm loving family. Lots of love. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed it. So this is the Picky Flow contest which is going on. And we are going to ask. Hi, what did you like the most about, I'm just interviewing the judges as well. What did you like the most about the show today? The recipes that these home cooks, home chefs have come up with.
I don't think I can tell you that until the results are out.
No, but what was the main? Creativity, enthusiasm. In 60 minutes, they have come up with such amazing recipes. What is it?
I think it's the sheer enthusiasm. I really loved it because the teams were totally dedicated if you were watching them. They were completely involved in what they were doing. That was the nicest part.
That was the nicest part. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing that. Was one of the judges, guys. And ये देखिए, we are now moving towards the finale, जहाँ पे final judges decide होंगे. So maybe this is, I'll just end up. We'll definitely go ahead and see who is going to be the winner. And then let's go there. Sorry. So we will be going there inside where the winners will be announced. So where is Manu Chandra? I'm just trying to figure it out. Our final judge, if we can find him there, I think that will be really nice. Okay, I'll just do it. Okay, so guys, take care. There is Manu Chandra and there are the judges. The final winners are being decided here. देखिए, these are the sponsor chairs. The judges are deciding the scene. Maybe first time you will ever see the judges are deciding who is going to be. Okay, the judges are deciding who's going to win. Okay, the judges are deciding who's the winner. They're deep in discussion.
The person that cooked the rice was number 5 that cooked their rice correctly. The stuffed yeah. So just because of that, the spice level was too high. That was the reason which means that
I think
yes.
Guys, this is back the scene.
Number 6
should just total it up and take out the average over, get some nice total, that would be a fair.
But they have not judged. We have not. They have not judged us by taste and presentation. Just cleanliness and inside.
I think we should take the go ahead and round. That's the first thing I did.
So that's the back the scene. So let me just take you. तब तक judges decide कर रहे हैं. We'll just have a look around, guys. And we are going to see who's going to be the winner. ये देखिए यहाँ पे these are the sponsors. अलग-अलग sponsors हैं. Food for thought. Couplelicious, food for thought, Couplelicious, all the participants here will be getting, but you guys will be getting a special prize from Zaiqa Ka Tadka. We'll be sharing the black box ingredients with you. आपको लाइव ब्रॉडकास्टिंग वीडियो में अपना शेफ दिखाना है और हमारे अपनी रेसिपी के संग आना है. आप अपने एंट्रीज भेजिए, सेंड मैसेज बटन दबाइए जायका का तड़का पे. दिस इज द फ्लो culinary masters Vicky Flo Bangalore and Phoenix के द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज ऐसी लाइव कवरेज ओनली ऑन जायका का तड़का. These are the event partners: Chocolate Philosophy, Sheraton Grand, Nolte, Esprit Spirits, Vineyards, and so this is Apeksha. Since 19 minutes I've been showing you this live video. I hope you have enjoyed this session, guys. We are still waiting for the judges to come up with the winner. I'll go live again announcing the winner so that you guys can see. तब तक आप अपने picks बताइए. I hope you have enjoyed this live coverage event that we have had. This is really amazing doing it for the first time for 90 minutes. The participants were so enthusiastic, cheerful, and so nice and lovely. We have a contest on Zaiqa Ka Tadka where हम black box ingredients आपको देंगे और इस हफ्ते Monday to Friday we do live broadcasting videos with participants who are interested to showcase their talent with us and come up with their amazing recipe. And जो भी रेसिपी सबसे लाइक और अप्रिशिएट करी जाएगी उसको मिलेगा हमारी तरफ से एक प्रॉपर फ्रीज प्राइज हम देंगे जो कि हमने हमारे ग्रैंड मॉम कॉन्टेस्ट में भी दिया था. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको लाइव आने में थोड़ी झिझक है तो आप हमें ऑफलाइन वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं. जायका का तड़का पे आप ऑफलाइन वीडियो में भेजिए एंड देन वी विल अपलोड देम ऑन जायका का तड़का. जो वीडियो सबसे ज़्यादा लाइक और अप्रिशिएट करा जाएगा दे विल बी announced as the winners of Zaiqa Ka Tadka. So guys, take it Flow Culinary Masters Zaiqa Ka Tadka is the only live coverage event. Partners, यहाँ पे देखिए participants are just chilling out now, and I'll now be moving towards it. This is a beautiful location यहाँ पे हम हैं. It's really very nice weather outside, and we will be moving towards. This contest is organized by Vicky Flo for women who really want to be mentored, who really want to do networking, who want to do their own startup, who want to advance in their careers, who want to learn new skills. Please find out the Vicky Flo chapter. आपकी particular city में, हर city में, most of the bigger cities have Vicky Flo chapter. It's a not for profit organization which is there to empower women and can help you reach to the next level in your career or in your skill level. आप जहाँ पे भी जाते हो in your startup world, it can help you guys. So do find out Vicky Flo का कहाँ पे है आपका चैप्टर, कौन सी सिटी. अगर आपकी सिटी में है, it's a wonderful organization. I love them for what they are doing. This is really nice. Even I am waiting for the contestants to see. I'm waiting to see कि कौन winner होता है, and we'll be doing that. This is really nice, guys. This is really amazing, and we're doing this live. So let me just take a break and we'll go live again with the winners. We'll go live again with the winners very soon, guys. I hope you have had a lovely time. This is Apeksha. Right now, signing off. Judges decide kare. I'll go back live in another 15 minutes with the announcement. I hope you have had a lovely time. Please do let me know if you have enjoyed this live coverage. I'll be back live again very soon in another 15 minutes announcing the winners on Zaiqa Ka Tadka. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.